Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla here again with some more information to give to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so first thing I want to talk to you about a man who goes by the name of Peyton Gendron, the 18-year-old suspect who allegedly shot and killed 10 people and injured others at a supermarket that is located within Buffalo, United States of America on the 14th of May, the year 2022. According to more than one news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that Peyton drive hours away from a certain location to a black community within Buffalo, United States of America, where he carried out the attack. It is said that the attack is believed to be racially motivated. I read in a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that a man who is said to be a gun store owner said that he recently sold an assault weapon to the accused and that he feels terrible about the teen's alleged crime. See, the same news article that I read said that Peyton previously said in a race-hating manifesto that he planned to use a Bushmaster XM15 in his assault, which ended up killing 10 people at a supermarket on Saturday. It is said that on the day of the Buffalo shooting, viewers and subscribers, it is said that Peyton was wearing body armor, tactical helmet, and military fatigues. And it is said that he shot 4 persons outside of the supermarket and he shot 9 persons inside of the supermarket, viewers and subscribers. And sometime after law enforcers arrived at the scene, he surrendered. It is said that most of those persons who had been shot by Peyton on that day are said to be African descendants. See? Now there are some questions about how Peyton had been taken into police custody. Some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering what would have happened if Peyton was an African descendant. I read a news article that also gave me the understanding that the news article said that the N-word was written on the gun that Peyton used to carry out the attack. That N-word is said to be a word that is considered to be disrespectful or offensive towards African descendants. It is said that during the attack, a security guard shot Peyton, but because Peyton was wearing body armor, it was not effective enough to stop Peyton. It is said that law enforcers are doing some form of investigation when it comes down to the weapon that Peyton used to do the attack. It is said that law enforcers are trying to find out if the weapon had been used to do any other crime or crimes. Yes, I say. And according to unconfirmed information that I got, it is said that the weapon have words on it that are not only racial slurs. Now, in a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that CNN said that CNN obtained a photo of 2 long guns allegedly taken by the suspect to the scene. And in the same news article, CNN said that the photo was confirmed by 2 law enforcement sources. And I'm not talking about this photo right here, no, viewers and subscribers. No, I'm not talking about this photo right here. You see? I also got the understanding from the same news article from CNN that the image shows the weapons inside a car, which was found by law enforcement after the shooter's arrest, viewers and subscribers. The same news article said that according to one of the law enforcement sources, the weapons were not used in the shooting, and that writing appears all over the weapons, including the phrase "White Lives Matter." A news article that I read said that authorities within United States of America said that a 180-page document believed to have been posted on the internet by Peyton is a hate-filled screed fixated on the notion of replacement theory, that a white supremacist believe that non-whites will eventually replace white people because they have higher birth rates. It is also believed that the suspect visited Buffalo sometime within March before he carried out the attack. A news article said that a female said that she saw Peyton sitting outside of the store on a bench just a day before the shooting incident, viewers and subscribers. The news article said that the female said that she saw him wearing the same camouflage outfit outside the store on Friday the 13th, the year 2022. It is said that the female also said that she saw him with a camper bag on his back. Now, in my words, and according to how I understand some words that I read in the same news article, I got the understanding that the news article said that the female said that at some point on Friday, the suspect entered the supermarket, viewers and subscribers, and that it seems as if he was bothering customers. So she asked him to stand outside. Yes, what I say? And the news article said that she said that he left without an argument. A news article that I read said that Erie County District Attorney's Office said that Peyton was brought before the Buffalo City Court on Saturday evening on one count of first-degree murder. It is said that the suspect entered a plea of not guilty, viewers and subscribers, and if convicted, he faces a maximum sentence of life in prison without the possibility of parole. It is also said that the suspect had been ordered to be held without bail. One news article said that Peyton modified the gun that he used to carry out the attack. It is said that what Peyton had done might affect his immediate family in a negative way within their community and possibly more. Viewers and subscribers, I just give information according to I got information. Alright, you can let me know what you think about the situation. Here's where I'm going to leave this. Alright, next topic. So I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that a man who goes by the name of David Chow opened fire on members of a Taiwanese church that is located within California, United States of America, killing one person and injuring 5 others. It is said that the attack happened on the 15th of May, the year 2022, and it is said that law enforcers said that the attack is believed to be motivated by political hatred for Taiwan. One news article that I read said that a Orange County sheriff said that the person who goes by the first name of David left notes in Chinese in his car stating that he did not believe Taiwan should be independent from China. News articles that I read said that the suspect is said to be in his 60s, and at least one news article that I read said that officials said that the suspect secured church doors with chains and tried to disable locks with super glue, viewers and subscribers. It is said that he also attempted to nail at least one door shut. See? And more than one news article that I read said that members of the church worked together to somehow apprehend the suspect, in viewers and subscribers. See? A news article that I read said that law enforcers arrived and realized that Chow was already apprehended. Another news article that I read said that a law enforcer said that Chow was born in mainland China and at some point relocated to Taiwan before moving to United States of America. See? But the news article also said that the law enforcer said that Chow apparently had an issue with Taiwanese people because of the way he was treated while living there in Taiwan. A news article that I read said that law enforcers seized bags containing magazines and ammunitions and other things as well, viewers and subscribers. It is said that law enforcers or officials recovered 2 firearms at the scene of the whole situation, or where the whole attack happened, viewers and subscribers. See, and it is said that those firearms was lawfully purchased in Las Vegas, and that's according to an official with the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives, viewers and subscribers. And that the news article said. You see me I say? It is said that persons who was injured had been taken to hospital for medical treatment, and it is said that the suspect was taken into police custody, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I think here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. I don't have a whole lot of information about this whole situation, but you can let me know what you think. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up yourself, you see it?